Hi everyone, welcome back. Today in this video, I will show you how to sell on Gumroad, and this is my main dashboard, and I earn my over $500 by selling digital product on Gumroad by use upsell strategy. It's free and on Gumroad, and you can use it too. If you want, go to checkout, and here you can find upsell. Click on what is upsell actually. Upsell, it's added another product on the checkout when the customer want to download it. I give my audience the first product for free, and when download the free product on the checkout, will recommend all other products on the checkout and take them all. Here you can use it. Go to checkout on Gumroad, go to checkout, click on checkout, go to upsell. Here we click on upsell, and here my upsell created. Here what is upsell? This is the checkout on Gumroad. When the customer want to download your product, the upsell here on Gumroad will added our product on the cart, and the customer will take them all, and you sell. And the first thing we use, we go on the checkout on Gumroad 2. We go to checkout here, click on the checkout. Let's do this. We go to the checkout here and checkout from, and we choose recommend my products. Here on the checkout, when your customer want to download your free product, here Gumroad will recommend other products for you, and you sell them all on here. And here my analytics, and I use this strategy actually last month, and I earn real results. This is my over $500. Don't forget to like video and subscribe if you want more video like this, and see you the next one.